Welcome back to AK Autos. Today, we're taking you back in time with a true classic, the FX car model in its stunning green color from 1980. This car is more than just a vehicle, it's a symbol of a generation when style, simplicity, and raw driving feel defined the road experience. The 1980 FX remains an icon among vintage car lovers for its timeless design, durable engineering, and the unmistakable charm of an era when cars had character in every curve and sound. Starting with the exterior, the FX 1980 in green is a treat to look at. The color itself stands out, a deep, glossy shade that perfectly complements its compact yet bold shape. The design captures the spirit of the 80s with clean lines, a boxy profile, and a confident stance. The chrome details around the grille, bumpers, and window frames give it a premium old-school appeal. The rectangular headlights and classic front grille maintain that distinctive vintage charm that's instantly recognizable. The proportions are balanced, not too large, not too small, making it look agile and stylish even today. The steel wheels with simple caps and the slightly flared fenders reflect the minimalist but strong design philosophy of that time. Every angle of the FX speaks of durability and nostalgia, reminding us of an age when cars were built to last and looked effortlessly cool. When it comes to performance, the 1980 FX was known for being reliable and surprisingly lively for its class. Under the hood, it features a compact yet efficient engine that delivers steady power with a naturally aspirated setup. While it might not have the horsepower numbers of modern cars, the throttle response and mechanical connection between the driver and the road make it feel pure and engaging. The lightweight body helps with handling, giving the FX an easy, predictable drive whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on an open road. The suspension is simple but effective, absorbing bumps well for its era, while the manual gearbox offers a satisfying, hands-on experience. It's the kind of drive that connects you with the machine in a way few modern cars can replicate. Inside, the 1980 FX keeps things simple and functional. The interior features straightforward controls, analog gauges, and durable materials that have aged gracefully over time. The seats are firm but comfortable, with enough space for a small family. There's a sense of honesty in its design. No unnecessary gadgets, just pure driving focus. The 1980 FX green model remains a timeless piece of automotive history, a perfect blend of simplicity, reliability, and character that continues to turn heads even decades later.